Hello and welcome back. Today I'm going to be looking at some train mods, and I haven't yet decided if this is going to be one episode or three. Those of you who regularly watch my channel will know that I have recently finished one series where I was trying to build a base in a box and then trying to scale it up to a mega base. And I'm also partway through another series where I'm doing SpaceX with more science. For this SpaceX with more science world, I really cannot be bothered with train refueling logistics. So I thought I would look at some electric train mods. And there are three that caught my eye. The first one is called Electric Train with an N. The second one is called Electric Trains with an S. And the third one is called Batteries Not Included. I believe Electric Trains with an S and Batteries Not Included are by the same mod maker. And I think Batteries Not Included is the replacement or updated or reimagined version of Batteries Not Included, of Trains with an S. Anyway, let's start off with Train. So, Electric Train without an S. What I've done is made three local clones of my Factorio install, each with just the mod I want to test out in. So hopefully they won't get muddled up. Okay, this is a Friday for me, and this will be going out tomorrow, Saturday, so fingers crossed. We're going to play a new game. Enemies never attack first. Generate. Then, yes, we're on a world. Yes, with cheats for creative mode. Okay, cool. So we're in a world. Let's start off by doing the things we need to do. So I need a deconstruction planner. I need a second deconstruction planner. I need a blueprint to copy paste. All right, this one, trees and rocks only. Cool, so I think we're set now. Let's clear our canvas. Yoink. Actually, this is a bit better, isn't it? Because it doesn't have any ore to confuse us. And yoink. Cool. Okay, so here I am. Okay, what have we got? Okay, so I've not played with this mod, so I actually don't know anything about it other than it provides trains which run on electric power. Okay, so this is a locomotive. Okay, let's make some track. Let's make a bit more track than that, otherwise we're going to be constantly ruined. Okay. Bit of track. Okay, so this is a standard locomotive. As far as I can tell, this looks like a normal one, right? Let's get some normal fuel. Yep, so this is a bog standard normal locomotive. Okay. Then we have the E-locomotive, E-locomotive 2 and E-locomotive 3. The E-locomotive 1 requires batteries and electric engines, as opposed to green circuit, steel and engines. Okay, so that's fine. You could get that early game. Well, reasonably early game. This requires batteries, electric engines and red circuits. Again, fairly early on. You get red circuits pretty early on. This one, blue circuits. Okay, let's have a look at the stats. So okay, so let's put one of these down. One of these. One of these. Okay, so this says let's have a look. Fuel. Okay, so we have E-locomotive it seems to think I can put various normal fuel in this. Let's have a look. Does this tell us what? Okay. Yeah, this seems to say normal fuel. This, again, I'm wondering if an icon is mucked up here. I don't know. Have I done... Well, I'm not quite sure. Energy consumption 600 kilowatts. Energy consumption 900 kilowatt. Energy consumption 1.2 megawatt. And they have more health. Okay, well, let's see if we can figure this out. Let's see if this really does take solid fuel. Looks like it. I'm a bit confused by this. I'm wondering if I've done something a bit silly. Okay. What else have we got? Okay, we've got normal cargo wagon. Then this cargo wagon requires extra steel and gears and has storage of 60 rather than 40. This requires more steel, more gears, and this has 80 rather than 40. So this lets you carry more stuff. This is a normal fluid wagon, 25k volume, same as vanilla, 3750. Okay, so that's got double the capacity. So this looks like it's a consistent thing. This is an E-locomotive power provider. Okay, not sure what that's for. And then is there anything else on here? Train stop. So, normal train stop. Okay, let's... Okay, so we've made a little circuit. Let's put in a stop here, stop here, ping, pong, okay. And we should probably add some signals, otherwise these trains are going to bump into each other. Okay. Okay, so that's not very carefully laid out. So this is going to go to ping, let's try that again. Inactivity, pong, inactivity. Cool. And let's copy that schedule, send it on its way. Is that going to work? So this is a standard train. Cool. And off it goes. So let's copy that, paste the schedule, put that on automatic. Okay, that train appears to be going. Let's put this on automatic. Okay, and paste the schedule here, automatic. Okay, that seems quicker. Top speed 115%, 115. Acceleration 250%, 250%. Okay. So here we are, E-locomotive. E-Locomotive 3. Right, and that's burnt through its fuel. So I'm a bit confused here about where the electricity comes in. Okay, let's pick up that E-Locomotive and put it down. Okay, so that has no fuel. And we had this E-Locomotive power provider. All right, let's put it by a substation. And then let's use a creative mode power. Okay, so this now okay, let's zoom out. This is run out of power because I've taken away the E-Locomotive power provider. Okay, so that seems to let me run the E-Locomotive without fuel. Right, let's see if that works for all of them. So this is a normal locomotive. Yeah. This is the E-Locomotive without any fuel in it. This is the version 2. This is the version 3. All right, so and let's put down the version 3 again. Okay, let's put that on automatic. Put that on automatic. So these are now running okay, so that got up to about 200. Energy consumption 1.2 megawatt. Okay, and let's check this really is going with the electricity. Take the electricity away. Yeah, those trains have stopped. Okay, so it looks like they pretty much work by magic, for want of a better word. As long as this is somewhere, it is magically sending power to the trains. Okay, so that's the electric train mod. Electric train with no S. Are there any other things? So there's the Emo Locomotive power provider, which you can use once you've got red circuits. I'm guessing because this pulls twice the power of this. So this pulls 600 kilowatt. So I'm guessing because this pulls twice the power, it provides twice the pull. So presumably you need it to get these things moving. I can't see a weight on this. I don't know where to look. Let's pick up one of those. Okay. All right, let's drop that down. What does this say? It gives a health, but it doesn't give a mass. Okay, well, I'm a bit baffled. But if I had to guess, I'd say the bigger trains can pull the bigger wagons at the same speed as the smaller trains pull the smaller wagons. Okay, so that is the electric train mod. Kill that. The train there tried to move, ran out of power. Put it back. That train has power. Okay, so pros. It just works. It's distributing the power to the trains by magic, so you don't need infrastructure. Cons. If you don't like the idea of magic, it's too much magic. Okay, so it totally removes the logistics problem with powering trains, but there's no sort of mechanistic continuity for how the trains are working. Cool. Okay, so let's save that. Okay, quit. And move to the next mod. So this is electric trains with an S. Play. New game. Enemies never attack. Yes, we're stranded. Yes, we want cheats. Okay. I want a deconstruction for trees, and a blueprint for copying, just in case. Okay, so let's clear the board. Awesome. I've got some cliffs. Oh well. All right. So what have we got here? Oh, blue. Okay, so we have electric locomotive. So this is red circuits and electric engines and some steel. Seems fine. No extra cargo wagons. Okay, let's get one of those. Grab some rail. Oh, we have an electric train stop, which is going to be confusing because it looks exactly like a normal train stop. Let's get a normal one just to compare. Okay, let's put down some track. There we are. So let's put an electric train stop here. Name it Ping. And we have a normal vanilla train stop here. Let's name that Pong. And there we are. All right. And that has flashing. So I am guessing that this requires power. Passive energy source. There we are. Okay. So let's get a normal. Okay. So what fuel do we have here? Just a minute. I'll be back. Sandra's crying and you can't get to sleep. Okay. Alright, I'll be up in a second. Okay. It looks like I'm going to be recording this in two parts. So we will revisit the electric trains mod with an S tomorrow and see if we can figure out how it works. Thanks very much for watching, and I will see you tomorrow. I hope you're enjoying this. It's a bit of a voyage of discovery for me. But anyway, children. Bye-bye.